decorate with me in the hallway for the upcoming holiday season and a few DIYs as well. Today in the hallway, as you can see, I am going to be decorating in the hallway. I normally like to decorate all over the house, pretty much whatever areas that I can actually cover. I like to cover those areas. And today, again, we're going to be covering the hallway. And again, we don't want to just think of the hallway as just that, a hallway, a place where we just walk from room to room. You want to think of it as a destination, a passageway to a destination. So rethink about what you think or you consider your hallway to be. Think of it again as a passageway to a destination. So while we're on that destination, through that passageway, we would like to have perhaps maybe take the scenic route. So while we're taking the scenic route, why not very scenic and beautiful, or rather pleasing to our eye? And so that's why we're going to be decorating the, as we call it, the hallway. We're going to add some gold, some cream, some white, just a few things, and a couple of DIYs that I'm going to throw in there as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And of course, this has been me, Chanel, and continue to watch the video. Let's get started. Now for this particular area, which we are going to camouflage the doors or the area over here with the AC, heating and air conditioning unit doors. And I'm going to place a chair there, and also these particular boxes, which you can use something like this, some old boxes that you may have, wrap them in some beautiful gift wrapping, and this is a great way to add large scale impact on a dime.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment.
A tower of gift boxes, and they're all different sizes, and they have this little piece on here that is holding them together, but we're going to camouflage that with some ribbon.
It's a beautiful kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
And we're just going to take the ribbon and measure it out to make a bow up top and cover that up.
I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
Now here again is the boxes that were covered, and we're going to place them at the end of the hallway, and also with the wreath that you've seen me DIY a couple of days ago, and we're going to place that on the doors as well. Again, camouflaging the AC unit doors at the end of the hallway. Now here I just have the overall piece of garland that I will be placing up top of the console table that is on the wall under the gold gilded mirror. and I'll finish up the entire look. And I hope you enjoy the video and you get some inspiration, motivated, and ready to move and get decorating for the upcoming holiday season. Again, this has been Chanel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all in the next one.